Good morning, Jeff. This is the so-called Rolls-Royce of mattresses, the Hestons. It costs between $7,000 and $100,000. And the company's selling so many of them, it's opening more stores. It's an extreme example of the way consumers are emptying their wallets to try to get better sleep. So this is the zero-gravity chair.
Yes, that's the famous zero-gravity chair, also called the yellow chair.
Was it created by NASA?
It was created by us.
It's a place where you can pay to sleep.
I like it.
At Yellow Spa, a nap costs $1 a minute for up to 40 minutes in your own private chamber. You control the light color and intensity, and an artificial sunrise wakes you up more gently than an alarm clock.
It's the color of the Tibetan monks.
Nicholas Ronco is the owner.
Does it ever strike you as odd that people are paying for naps, something that should be free?
Actually, it does not at all. And, you know, I'm always intrigued, to be honest with you, by this question because everybody pays for sleep. If you have a mortgage on your apartment, you pay for sleep. If you're renting your apartment, you pay for sleep. If you go into a hotel room, you pay for sleep.
And pay we do. It's all part of a booming industrial complex known as the sleep assistance industry, with estimated revenues of at least $32 billion a year. There are temperature-controlled pillows, high-tech gadgets that track your sleep cycle, and mattresses that can cost more than $100,000, stuffed with genuine horsehair to help keep sleepers cool and dry. Manhattan's Benjamin Hotel has a dedicated sleep program, complete with a sleep concierge and sleep consultant. Rebecca Robbins is also a research scientist at Cornell University.
You'll wake up refreshed simply because the bedrooms are designed with the best science available.
So this is the holy grail, right? Everyone is looking for that perfect night's sleep. How do we get it?
It's within our reach, and too often as Americans, we think it's not. 70% of Americans are sleep deprived, but we don't have to be.
So the hotel offers a sleep menu with 10 different kinds of pillows you can order before you arrive.
Here's a fun option. For a side sleeper, it offers a lot of comfort. It's also great for women to support our hips while we sleep on our side.
Oh my gosh, who needs a husband when you could have this?
Right? Now, another great option, this is our water pillow. You hear the water, is it soothing though?
I
Is
think
it soothing?
I'm seasick.
So this is our lullaby pillow. So you can plug in your iPhone, keeping it on airplane mode, and then play your Mozart or your Beethoven and sing yourself to sleep.
Can I learn Russian while I'm sleeping with Rosetta Stone? Sleep assistance is a $32 billion a year industry. Is this a racket?
In some ways it is a racket.
Dr. Robert Gotlin is an orthopedic surgeon who helps patients sleep through aches and pains. He says there is no cure-all.
Everybody's neck has a different shape. No two necks are the same, like a fingerprint. We all will suffer at some point with some form of neck pain. This is really a progression of life. The key is just be comfortable.
Medical experts say there are things you can do to get a better night's sleep. Exercise, go to bed at the same time every night, and keep computer screens out of your bedroom. Of course, all of those things are free. Gail.
All right, we like free stuff. Thank you, Gigi.